Yeah, this is a real driver's delight. Oh man. Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a very special car. This is a 2016 Honda Accord EXL V6, but the real cool part is that it's got only 67,000 miles. Wow, 67K, unbelievable. Just look at the condition of this car. It's like showroom new. This is the cleanest Accord that I've ever come across in all these years. Insane. But let's go take a look outside and then take it for a spin. I've already done a review on one of these. It was a touring. It's actually a very, very cool video. But the nice part about this specific one is that this is not the touring, although you get the sunroof and you also get the navigation system in this specific car. And of course, this meticulous condition. Like this car is super clean. Soft touch materials everywhere. And you could easily mistake this for an Acura. Absolutely, easily you can mistake this, because in the back we have a lot of space, very comfy seats. I'm 6'2" and there's a lot of room. We also got vents on the back, which is rare for this class. No rips, nothing, no stains. The headliner is flawless. And it's also got a clean Carfax. No accidents, no damage. This is like a clean car. Yeah. Now, I gotta figure out how to open the trunk. Let's see. Trunk. Where are you, trunk? Pull. Bam. We got it. So lots of space. You got regular floor mats, all season floor mats that come with this car, so that is super cool. And the best part of this vehicle is what hides under the hood. Most of these are 4-cylinder CVTs, but this one has the delicious 3.5 liter V6. Very clean car. I'm just amazed by how clean this Accord is, seriously, for the age. So in this cabin, we have a few cool perks. We have dual zone climates. We also have navigation as well. Now I believe this uses a TomTom display. Yeah, this is literally like your GPS from 2007. We got our glove box with the factory manual. I think that's cool. Let's see. You also can change what you want to see here. Information. We got a sunroof, glasses holder, garage door opener, and I assume this is a auto dimming mirror as well. Let's see what else we got. The eco mode, on and off, heated seats, the classical handbrake. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what else. And we have a side camera, so whenever you're merging, you can see the cars. You can see the different spots under the car. Now here we also have Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, and these ones also, I think from 2017, have the Apple CarPlay. I'm not sure if this one necessarily has it. It may, I'm not sure. It does have the smartphone connection. Now let's do a wiper test, horn test, and let's get going on this drive. The steering is nice and sharp. I would say it's to the athletic side. Definitely sporty. We got our MPGs, our range. Oh, this sound is phenomenal. And the way it just shifts. Pow, pow, pow. Yeah, this is a real driver's delight. Oh man, this is such a blast to drive. I like it. I definitely like it. Good into the turn. Hugs the corner well. Really strong brakes. Impressive. I'm very impressed by these brakes here. Visibility is also good. Surprisingly refined at highway speeds. Very minimal wind noise. Easy to drive. It's awesome. It also feels super planted. I would say like a German car. So they definitely did an excellent job with the chassis. And honestly, to me, this specific iteration is way more fun to drive than the new ones. Like, so much better, in my opinion. They're just so much more athletic and fun. It's insane. AC is ice cold as well. Oh yeah. Also, I want to iterate how good these front seats are. They are surprisingly comfy, surprisingly good. What do you think of the car so far?
It's more than economy car.
Well, it's not. I would say it's a mid-size. It's not necessarily an economy car. I would say it's like a mid-size, premium mid-size, okay? it does not feel like necessarily like an economy car to me, you know?
Well, as you see, we have a red light, so we'll get to feel it out off a red light, see how it picks up. So that's fun. That's sure fun. Really moves out. Impressive. Let's see. I know we're not gonna get the best times right now, but 0 to 60, 7.8 seconds. Uphill, really uphill. 40 to 80, 8.26. 1/8 mile, 10.27. And the quarter mile, it's at 15.75 at 89.84. I don't think that's correct. Let's see, what quarter mile? No, that is correct, 89.84. Okay. All right. Let's do an actual 0 to 60 test. One thing I do wish it had was a manual mode, because there's no manual mode here. You only have S, D, and S. That's it. I think only the coupe has the manual paddle, like the paddle shifters. These shifts are so good. Right on the money. Oh yeah. And in comfort mode, you know, just in drive, it's perfect. It's just so well balanced and fun to drive. Honestly, all the power you really ever need. With two people, hot day, the AC's on, and it feels great to me. Love it. Definitely a good upgrade over the 2.4 liter. Just the sound and the shifts itself is so worth it.
And this car, yeah, it's flawless. It drives like flawlessly. It feels flawless. Feels like a new car. Overall, to summarize the test drive, I truly enjoyed driving this Accord. One of the best driving Hondas of that era. So much fun. Definitely enjoyed the experience. But let me know what you thought about this test drive in the comments down below. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And till next time.